Hey Dan, just wanted to drop a quick video to you. You had posted about SEO services in Sioux Falls or nearby Sioux Falls. My name is Kyle Roloffs. I run Siouxland Digital Marketing out in Hull, Iowa, which is about an hour southeast of Sioux Falls, just north of Dordt College. But I wanted to just drop this, give you 3 quick recommendations of what you can do to improve your search engine optimization presence on your site, or make so that you can get more clients via the search engine organically. So the 3 things are going to be on-site content, citations, which is basically how many times throughout the web is your name, address, and phone number business-wise listed, and then your votes from other sites that Google is seeing. Okay, so we're going to go through each one in turn. First is on-page content. I'm going to compare you to Ultimate Carpet Cleaning in Sioux Falls. They are one of the top ranking ones if you go over here to Ultimate Carpet Cleaning, so that's why I'm doing that. As far as your website, you've got some content here, which is probably about 50 words, and then maybe another 25 words here, so 75 words on your homepage. I mean, there's a few words there, but being 75 words there. This is an embed here, as you're probably aware of it. It's excellent reputation management you have going on here. 49 reviews, that's excellent. You can see why you really want to blow this up, because that's really convincing as a consumer. But one of the things is you're an expert when it comes to carpet care. So what's your process? Give an outline of your process on your web page here. Of just like, okay, step 1 we do this, step 2 we do this, if it's a stain we do this. And I realized I worked maintenance for a year and a half out of college, removed some carpet stains with a little thing. It's not near what you do, but it's a little bit. And every stain is a little bit different, but if you give a general framework of what you're doing, you're going to establish yourself as the expert in the space when somebody hits your website. And the other part of that is that when you have a lot of content on your homepage, you're going to be able to show that you're an expert in the space. Like, see how Ultimate Carpet Cleaning has put a whole bunch of things about the way they clean carpets on their homepage. Like, they've probably got a good, I mean, we can even go over to here to web page word counter here, and we'll find out exactly how many words they have on their homepage for you. So they've got 833 words on their homepage, versus if we compare yours, throw yours in there a minute. You've got 350 words. So they've got 500 more words than you do. So if you added something similar to this, or add your process to it on there, you may not be much of a typist, but there's a lot of different typing. Like, use your smartphone, do voice to text, then throw in your punctuation in there. But that's an easy way to do it. So increase your on-site content. All right, and then we're going to move on to the votes that Google sees other sites giving you. So this is where you mainly see it. You're going to see it and the votes are mainly here. External backlinks. This is when another site on the web links to yours. You've got 1. Okay. Now, trust flow is when the site that's linking to you has relevant content to carpet cleaning or to your particular niche. So here we see very little relevance. So you guys are equal as far as relevant links, but as far as the total number of links, these ones you add up the fresh to the historic, that's 76. As we saw here, you have 1. So by the way, this is a tool called Majestic. You can get on it yourself for $50 a month. I personally, since I do this for a living, I'm on the pro version, which is, you can do it for $500 a year, about, I think, what it comes out to. But that's the tool that I'm using. So that's how Google looks at your site. So the way to increase this is to simply do what we call a blog. One way to do it is a blog commenting technique. So you're going to Google carpet cleaning blog and 1 comment, and if you want to be particular, you can put quotes around that to sharpen your query, sharpen your Google search. But you can look onto here, that's Scott's Carpet Cleaners. You're going to look for 7 tips, and you're going to look for something like this. So you're going to type something relevant to their site. Love the information about how to have a cleaner carpet. If you need any help, please contact Moxie Services. And then you're gonna then you'll type in your name, Dan, and then I don't know what your email is, so example@email.com, and then you're gonna drop your website link into there. So it's Moxie there, and then you're gonna go in here, and then you're gonna post your comment, because this will give you another backlink in there. So it'll probably be, it just takes a minute here to pop through. But so once they get through the moderation piece, then you're going to go through there. But notice how this is now a backlink to your site. You're going to look at, let me make this a little bit wider for you so you can see it. So we're going to go up just a little bit with this. But when you go over, notice the bottom, what comes up here is Moxie Services South Dakota.com, your website. So that's a backlink. So your backlink is Dan now. But that's a simple way you can increase the backlinks. So we've talked about the content on your site. We've talked about the votes that Google gives your site. Now we're going to talk about citations, which is your business name, your business phone number, and business address posted throughout the web. Now, this is a tool called WhiteSpark. It costs about $25 a month to use. But this basically helps with your organic listing. So this is Ultimate Carpet Cleaning. Since they're ranking in the map pack, they'll help. The citations help with this ranking in the map pack here. So Ultimate Carpet Cleaning has 17 citations. Moxie Services, your business, has 12. So if you were to add 10 different places to this, I can help you with this, or Pete Kleingen, he's a good guy to help with this too. But you're going to increase your service, you're going to increase that amount there, or you can look for directories that you can put in your name, business, phone number. It takes about 7 minutes per directory. So if you put in 2 hours of work, you could put in 10 more sources, and then once Google scans that, you'd be able to outrank them. Okay? Those are the 3 simple things I would do to increase your web ranking. So just in review, you've got your content, the votes that Google gives your site, sees your other sites giving yours, and then you've got the number of citations. The tools used in this one are simply visual editing. Looking at that, Majestic costs about $50 a month. That'll plan to help you out there. And then the local citation tool is WhiteSpark, which I can send you a video on how to use that too. So yeah, hope things go well. Again, I'm a budding SEO guy in the Sioux Falls area, Siouxland area. So I own Siouxland Digital Marketing. So we're still getting set up, but I've been doing this for about 2 years now. So yeah, if you want to give me a call, I'll gladly help you through this more. My number is 712-470-9174. Or if you want to shoot me an email at kyle@siouxlandmarketing.com. That's kyle@siouxlandmarketing.com. Thanks. Have a great day.